So you're thinking of selling your business. So what are the key things that you need to be thinking about? Well as finding yourself a lovely buyer who is prepared to pay what you believe the business is worth and what you're happy to accept, it's really important that you get your business to be sale ready. So what does that actually mean from a legal perspective? Well, when a buyer comes along, they'll be lifting up the bonnet of the car essentially to have a dig around to see what's what and make sure that what they're buying is what they believe that they are buying, that they're happy with any risk that they're taking on, and that they've identified any issues up front and they know that they're able to deal with and manage those issues. So that means making sure everything in your business is tip top, up to speed, and as it should be. Do your employees have employment contracts? Is your branding trademarked if it can be? Do you have standard terms and conditions for your clients? Are all your clients papered, as in have they all signed or ticked a box to agree to your contract, your terms and conditions? Do you have contracts in place with your suppliers? This is a big one. A lot of the time buyers will come in and they'll say, can we see all your supplier contracts? And it causes a real issue when sellers say, oh, well, we've just done everything on POs before and we've never had to think about this. Accounts is obviously a big one. It's not one we particularly touch from a legal perspective, but when you are selling your business, there will be accountants involved on both sides. And the accountant for the buyer will be going through your accounts with a fine-tooth comb. So you have to make sure everything's up to speed, and also that you have properly accrued for tax that you've been accumulating throughout the year. That's a big one as well. When a buyer comes on board, they will be undertaking due diligence in your business. So they'll ask you lots of questions, or they'll ask your lawyer lots of questions. They'll ask for lots of documentation, and you'll go back and forth for what could be a couple of months, making sure that they have everything that they need to be happy. They will ask questions of you and you will need to have answers to those questions. It's similar to getting a mortgage, particularly if you're a self-employed person. You know that getting a mortgage involves a lot of paperwork, a lot of questions. Why did you spend this? How much money are you putting towards this every month, etc., etc. Very similar when you're selling your business. Selling your business is a really exciting time, but it is very stressful as well. And a way that you can really reduce that stress is to make sure that you are sale ready from the get-go. So if selling your business is on the horizon in the next 6 months, year, 3 years, even 5 years, book a call with me, drop me a message or comment below this video, and we can arrange a call to chat through all the things you should be thinking about, how you need to put some paperwork in place to make sure that you're ready so that when a buyer does come along, you're in a much stronger position.